Let's start by looking at how to share boards in Cacoo. You can access sharing options in two places. First, from the dashboard, click the three dots in the top right corner of any board, then select Share. The second way is to open the board and click the Share button at the top. When you're on the free plan, you'll see that sharing is very simple. The board is automatically shared with the entire organization. Everyone in your organization has access by default, typically with view-only rights. You can also share the board with external users or guests by enabling the public link. And if you click Folder Settings and then Collaborators, you can add individual members and assign them different permissions. For example, you can choose Ava and give her edit access, while the rest of the organization keeps view-only access. But on the free plan, visibility cannot be restricted. The whole organization always has access to every board. Now let's take a look at how sharing works on a paid plan. Here's a performance review board created with one of Cacoo's templates. This is a good example because it contains sensitive information. On paid plans, you have more flexibility. Let's go to Folder Settings and Collaborators. You can either share with the entire organization or select specific collaborators. In this case, I don't want everyone to see this board, so now I can manually add only the people who should have access. For example, the HR team, the employees manager, and the employee. You can give each person view or edit access, depending on your needs. This gives you much more granularity, privacy, and control, which is especially important for sensitive content. Note that you can also share the board as an image. Let's go back to the board and copy the link so you can paste it into an email or chat. Lastly, let's take a look at archiving. Note that archiving boards is only available for paid plans. To archive, you can either click the three dots of a specific board and select Archive, or select several boards and click Archive at the top. Archiving stores your discarded boards for 90 days before permanently removing them. However, you can still delete any boards you want by selecting them and clicking Delete Selected. And that's it. If you're interested in more flexible sharing options or archiving boards, consider upgrading to a paid plan. Thanks for watching!